sustained the damage to our house in the hailstorm of 2016 in November. And we had a lot of health problems going on in our family at the time, and I didn't have time to take care of calling the insurance or looking for a contractor until many months later, and called lots and lots of places. Nobody called me back for a very long time, so I tried another round of calls. Again, nobody returned my phone calls, and talked to a coworker who had Kelley working on their house for roof and water damage. And she had said so many nice things about them that I decided to give them a call. We had a really great experience with our State Farm rep, Brad Monroe, and the adjuster that came out, Jeff Rupp. He was fantastic also. They made this process very easy. We didn't get tangled in a lot of confusion. They made it very simple for us to understand the process. Make sure you have a good, really good contractor who understands. We had multiple jobs that had to be done. There was no way we could be our own contractor. That would have been impossible. And Kelley both educated us and took care of everything. It was amazing.